Hello, welcome back to my channel, but if you're new here, my name is Tasha. Today I'll be making these cute budget-friendly badge reels. This is a simple craft that's perfect for co-workers, nurses, teachers, office staff, or anyone who wears a badge. And if you're not a crafty person, no worries, you can check out some over at prettyplugcustoms.com. So enough of that, let's get into the video. First, I'm starting off with Koala matte sticker paper. And this is how it looks straight out the printer. And now I'm going to lay it on my Cricut mat because I am going to use the Cricut to cut the circles out. And as you can see, one circle is slightly larger than the other, and I'll show you the reason why later in the video. Now I'm loading the mat into the Cricut. And now the Cricut is scanning the registration marks so it can know exactly where to cut. Now that it's done, I'm going to unload the mat. And now I'm using my rotary cutter just to cut out the image. Now I'm pulling the paper from the mat and taking the tape off. Now let's move that to the side and let's start off with the acrylic blanks. These are 2-inch blanks that I got off of Amazon. The link will be in the description in my Amazon storefront. And this is just a pokey tool that I made. I'll make a video in the future on how I made that pokey tool. I'm using it to pull away the clear film that's on the acrylic blanks. Most acrylic blanks come with a film on it. Sometimes it's brown and sometimes it's clear. And now that the clear film is off, I pulled out my electric drill. You can get this from Amazon too. It'll be linked in the description in my storefront. Or sometimes I use a nail filer or I use sandpaper. Whatever you can use to make the surface slightly rough so it can hold the UV resin. And now I'm just cleaning it up with alcohol on my towel. And this is like a medicine cup. And this is the UV resin that I use. It's from Amazon too. So I usually fill it up to 10 milliliters. And I always put the UV resin before I put the glitter. Now this is some chunky glitter that I got from Walmart. I usually get my glitter from Walmart or Michael's. And this is me just stirring it up. You don't want to stir it too much because you'll have a lot of bubbles and they're a little harder to get out. And now I'm going to spread the mixture evenly across the acrylic with a toothpick. You can use all sorts of different things. It just works better for me using a toothpick. So I kind of hold it in place while I spread it out. And I'm making sure that I get the edges. And this mixture is kind of thick so it doesn't easily roll off the acrylic blank. Now the lighter is used to pop off all the air bubbles that the UV resin has created. It does a really good job. And now moving on to the UV light. I usually use the UV light for about 2 minutes, 1 minute and a half or 2 minutes. And this is how it turned out once it dried. But you see how it's still like transparent. So I usually put another coat. If I was using vinyl on top of the badge reel, I would put 3 coats. If I was doing vinyl on top of the blank, I would use 3 coats of the mixture. But since I'm using a picture on top, I'm going to go ahead and use only 2 coats of the mixture. Moving on to the badge reels. This is an alligator clip that I got from Amazon. But these are badge reels that I got from Dollar Tree. And these are the belt clip ones. You get 3 in a pack for I think $1.50. So what I usually do, whatever color I use on the acrylic blank, I will put it on the little circle metal piece on the badge reel. And then I'll put it under the light for about 1.5 minutes. And now let's move on to the stickers. So as you can see, I got 2 different size stickers. The first one is a 2-inch sticker because the acrylic blanks are 2 inches and I wanted to fill the entire blank. And you may have noticed that I didn't use glitter on this one. It's because the sticker fills the entire acrylic blank, so the glitter won't be shown anyway. So now I'm just topping it off with clear UV resin. And this is to just give it a more clean, shiny, polished look. And once I'm done spreading it evenly, I usually let it sit for like another 30 or 40 seconds just so it can get settled in its place before I put it under the UV light. And now I'm going to hit it with the light to get the air bubbles out. So now that this one is done, we're going to slide that one under the light for another about 2 minutes. So notice this one is smaller than the last one. It's 1.79 inches. And I make it smaller because I like the glitter to peek out the sides. You can use a smaller image if you want more glitter to show. But me, I just like a little bit to peek out the sides. So now I'm layering the top with UV resin for that clean, shiny, polished look on top. So now I'm going to hit it with a lighter to get the air bubbles out. And now we're going to put him under for another 2 minutes. And now I'm putting the mixture on the other side of the retractable area. Now this is the finished look on top of the badge reels. So now I'm just going to file down the badge reel just so the glue can adhere better, because when the area is too smooth, the glue doesn't stick properly. So once I file it down, I'm going to hit it with my alcohol to clean it up. And now I'm going to hit the back of the acrylics with the filer. Here I'm using my B7000 glue on the back of the badge reel. And now I'm going to place the acrylic on top of the badge reel with the glue on it and just give it a firm press. And now I'm going to do the same thing to this one. And I let my badge reels sit for 24 hours when they're done, just to give them more time to cure and dry. And don't forget, you can add extra touches like glitter, charms, small bows, depending on the style you're going for. Here's the final look, simple and cute. And if you enjoyed this craft, make sure you follow along for the rest of the series. And thank you for sticking around and watching. See you in the next one.